Hi everyone, I'm Ron from BizNet Hong Kong. Welcome to BizNet Hong Kong YouTube channel. Today we will talk about UART interface. We will use W55 MH32's UART interface and MicroPython to communicate with the PC. If you wanted to know more about how to install MicroPython for W55 MH32, you could watch our previous short videos. The links will be in the description below. In W55 MH32, there are 4 sets of UARTs, and one has been used by MicroPython already. For the pins of the UARTs, this information you could easily find it from our docs.w5500.com. So let's go to the website right now. In the pin description image, we could see that the UART interface are shown in pink color. And today, we will focus on PA2 for UART2 transmitting pin and PA3 for the UART2 receiving pin for communication. As you could see from the board here, the board has been connected to a USB to TTL module. This module is helping the PC to have the ability to have a serial interface to communicate with the board. Except connecting the ground pin, it also connected the RX pin of the module to the board's TX pin, and the module's TX pin has been connected to the board's RX pin. Okay, right now, let's try to write some script. Okay, the first thing we need to do is know where are the UART module. Our UART module is actually located in machine module. So as usual, from machine import UART. After that, we just create a variable and call the module and then set, and then we set a baud rate to 115200. So it's just simply to it's 2, so we need to use UART2. So we just run. Okay, everything runs smoothly. Okay, right now we need to know some further information. The first thing we need to know is how do we create a serial interface in PC. But we need to know is some more important information is the COM port for the USB module. So we need to go to the device manager. Just wait a second. Okay, device manager, go to COM port section. You can see this COM port is COM6. This is the COM port for the USB to TTL module. After that, we could open PuTTY. PuTTY is a multiple use device software to create like in serial, telnet or something other related purpose. So for us, I have already saved a COM6 and has set everything. So as you can see in serial COM6, and then the baud rate is 115200, and then go to the serial section. You can see all other setups. Data bit is A, stop bit is 1, no priority and no full control. So this is how to set up, and it's utilized with the W55 MH32 UART interface. And for other setups, just wait a second. For other setups, it's actually everything based on the default. So we could go for, if you want to know more about it, you can go to support libraries, go to machine, and then scroll down to UART. And then as you can see, the other settings will be showing here. The stop bit is 1, the data bit is 8, and no priority. So that will be exactly the same with the putty's serial setup. Okay, after that we could try to send some data. After the UART interface has been created, I just need to do is call a function called write and then send some data. So in serial or UART interface, the data needs to be in bytes. So I will set bytes and then send ABC to the PC, and I just press run the script, and you can see in the PC section it shows ABC. That is the data that I've sent from the W5 MH32. Okay, after that we could try to read some data as well. First of all, I think we need to import time. For importing time, is just create some delays to allow me to have time to type some information from or data from this PuTTY interface and have the time for W5 MH32 to receive those data. So right now we just need to put time sleep, make a 5-second delay, and then print UART and then read line. Read line is another function that receives a 1 sentence of data from the serial terminal. If you want to know more about it, all the information of the function will be showed in this section. Like write and read line are all in here. Okay, let's try this script. Run the script. I type 1, 2, 3, and then it shows 1, 2, 3 because they received the data and they print it out. So I'm quite sure that the data has been sent from the PuTTY. Is showed in W5 MH32. So this is the most simple way to test the UART interface using MicroPython in W5 MH32. And we will still continue to create more kinds of tutorial based on W5 MH32 in MicroPython. Thank you for watching.